Understanding the phrase, Bear's Gallop, an English language journey. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, Bear's Gallop. This may sound unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it effectively in conversation. So, let's embark on this linguistic adventure together. The phrase, Bear's Gallop, is not a common expression in modern English. It doesn't appear in standard dictionaries or colloquial use. It might be an idiomatic expression or a term from a specific dialect or region. In English, idiomatic expressions often have meanings that are not directly deducible from the individual words. For instance, spill the beans means to reveal a secret, and kick the bucket means to die. These phrases don't make much literal sense, just like Bear's Gallop. Given its obscurity, Bear's Gallop could be interpreted in various ways. Let's explore a few. 1. Literal interpretation. A bear's gallop could refer to the actual movement of a bear, a lumbering, powerful run. This image could symbolize something forceful yet clumsy. 2. Figurative interpretation. If we consider it figuratively, it might represent an action that is bold but unrefined. Similar to saying someone has bull in a china shop tendencies. 3. Contextual usage. Without a standard definition, the phrase could also take on a meaning specific to the context in which it's used. It might be a local saying with a unique interpretation in a particular community or region. Since Bear's Gallop isn't a standard phrase, using it creatively in conversation or writing could spark interest. For example, his approach to solving problems is like a bear's gallop, effective, but not always the most graceful. When she dances, it's with the enthusiasm of a bear's gallop, full of energy but lacking finesse. We've explored the enigmatic phrase, Bear's Gallop. Remember, language is a living, evolving entity, and sometimes you'll encounter expressions that are not widely recognized or used. I hope this video has piqued your curiosity and added a unique phrase to your linguistic repertoire. Happy learning and see you in the next video.